Hi lovely people, welcome back once again to my channel. Thanks for returning. Here is Veeba's kitchen, where so heavenly recipes are made, and I believe you're all doing great. Today let's make a very delicious and healthy toasted bread and egg sandwich, and I hope you'll be inspired. Please don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and share, and I'll really be grateful. Without further ado, let's begin. With my ingredients, I've got coriander leaves, fresh tomatoes, red onion, and chicken sausage. Next, I have my eggs. Next, I have baby spinach and next cucumber. So I'm going ahead to cut them up. Okay, so I'm starting off with my coriander leaves or cilantro. Okay, lovely, stay tuned to the end. And I'm so sure you love this recipe. It's so healthy and very, very delicious. So here I'm transferring everything onto the plate. Next, I'm going ahead to cut my baby spinach, just like so. All done now, so I'm transferring everything onto the plate, and again I'll cut up my onion. You can use the white onion or even the spring onion, and it's all fine. Okay, so we are all done, and again I'm transferring everything onto the plate. Next, lovelies, I'm going ahead to cut my sausage, chicken sausage. You can use the beef sausage, pork sausage, turkey sausage, or any other sausage of your choice. And this is the size I'm going for, very, very tiny. Okay, you can cut them into a little bit bigger sizes. It's all by choice and preference. So we are also done. Next, I'm going ahead to cut my cucumber into smaller pieces. Okay, it's all fine. Just go for any size and shape of your choice. Lovely. Next, I'm going ahead to transfer everything onto the plate. And then I'll cut my tomato into two and seed it, just like so. Yeah. Lovelies, if it's your first time stumbling on this channel, hey, you are warmly welcome. I would love to have you here. So please do me a favor by subscribing to this channel to enjoy more of my recipes. Don't forget to also smash on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. Yeah, so we are all done with the cutting of our vegetables and protein. Next, I'm cracking my eggs into a bowl. Lovelies, to support your girl, please don't forget to like, comment, and share for others to see, and I will appreciate it. So next, I'm adding all the vegetables and sausage to the eggs, just like so. And lovelies, please do me a favor by recommending this channel to families and friends who may also like my recipes. You can always use any vegetables of your choice, but this recipe is so heavenly, and if you try this out, you thank me later. Next, mix everything together until well combined. For taste, flavor, and aroma, I'm adding salt and some seasonings. And the seasonings I'm using is crushed chili flakes, garlic powder, and black peppercorns mixed together in one bottle. And I love the combination. But you can use any seasoning of your choice. Yeah, we are all done. So next, in the frying pan, I'm adding olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. And next, I'm adding my mixture of egg, vegetables, and sausage, just like so. Now I'll give it time for it to fry nicely, and at this point make sure your heat is not too high or else it's going to burn. This is very aromatic. I love this, lovelies. You definitely have to give this a try. 3 minutes later, I'm flipping the egg over just like so. Beautiful, lovelies. So far so good. I love everything about this omelette. Amazing recipe. So it's all done. Check it out. Beautiful, healthy, and nutritious. So let's take it out of the frying pan and toast our bread. This is a simple, healthy, and nutritious Ghanaian toasted bread and egg sandwich. But mostly in Ghana, we use tomatoes, onion, and lettuce instead of the spinach and the cilantro. But This is my recipe and it's a healthy and nice way to start your day with. Lovelies, give this a try and thank me later. Ooh, wow, I love this. Check this out. Lovelies, you can pair this with your hot chocolate, your oat porridge, wheat porridge, rice porridge, or even corn dough porridge or mpampa in my local dialect. And your whole day will be good. Check this out. This is so yummy. It's so mouth-watering, isn't it? For more of my videos, lovelies, follow me on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. And a big shout out to all my followers and subscribers for always supporting your girl. I can't thank you enough. God richly bless you. Thanks for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care, and enjoy. Mwah, kiss. Love you. Bye, y'all. Yummy. Delicious. Peace out.